history of our planet is written in stone, written for all time in the earth below our feet. It tells the tale of an ancient era when dinosaurs ruled the world. Many have dreamed of visiting that world, witnessing the majesty and the power of the largest, most awe-inspiring creatures to have ever lived. That dream is now a reality, here at Jurassic World. The park is a technological marvel and a modern phenomenon. Sparing no expense, the Maserati Global Corporation has created a world-class destination resort like no other, where humans coexist with dinosaurs in complete safety. We welcome you as our guests to step into a new reality over 65 million years in the making. This is Jurassic World.
Hello everyone, I'm Allison, Jurassic World's lead ranger, and I have the privilege of overseeing all of our park's dinosaurs. From babies to fully grown dinosaurs, I know them all. And it's my pleasure to be in charge of your VIP tour of the island today. Not only will you get to see some of our most impressive dinosaurs in the land of giants, but as our VIP guests, you've been given exclusive access to go off the beaten path and behind the scenes, visiting parts of the park not open to the general public. You'll take a peek inside our world-famous creation lab and our groundbreaking Raptor training facilities, where our scientists and behaviorists are deciphering dinosaur behavior and creating an all-new way to communicate with this incredible species. It's going to be an exciting day, one I'm sure you'll never forget. Welcome to Jurassic World.
Alrighty y'all, welcome and thank you for joining me here today. Now, as we move through the exhibit for your safety, please do not climb on any rocks, trees, fences, or railings. For the safety of our dinosaurs, please do not try to touch or pet any of the dinosaurs, as they all have very sensitive skin and you may end up hurting them. Now, throughout the exhibit, if at any time you do require any sort of help or assistance, please ask anyone wearing a brown shirt like the one I'm currently wearing, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Now, the moment that you've all been waiting for. Welcome to Jurassic World!
rangers, and handlers work with velociraptors, gaining insight into how they think, move, and hunt. Let's learn about these amazing creatures. Velociraptors, or raptors as they are more commonly known, are part of the Dromaeosauridae family, who first appeared in the Jurassic period, and for more than 100 million years lived on Earth. Today, you will get a rare behind-the-scenes encounter with one of Jurassic World's most incredible raptors, Blue. A word of warning, although you're safe behind the enclosure, please keep your distance. This
Despite all of our work here, raptors remain carnivores with killer instincts. And now, I'd like for you to meet Blue.
He said you may have to pull that out of the Raptor.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my.
Here, Blue, come. Blue, keep your eyes here on me. Steady, Blue, steady. All right, moving to your right, my left. We're good. Now let's move to your left, my right. Good, Blue, good. Shall we do this again, Blue? Easy. Blue, stand down. Stay right there. Good, Blue. Good, Blue. Eyes on me. Blue. Blue, here. Watch it.
Come on, say Sega.
Kylie, how are we coming on that gate over there?
Sega.
Get like 1,000 pockets. Guys, remember, if y'all have any complaints about the exhibit, her name is Kylie. She's new. Really let her have it, guys.
Well, I look away for 1 second and they abandon me. Where are they?